All right, so Whirlpool dryer. Now this dryer is not heating, so you want to start at the outlet or at the power block, which is actually the best place to start. And you can see we're getting good voltage. So if you're getting good voltage there, you obviously want to make sure you check all your thermostats downstream. And if those are good, then you want to concentrate on the timer, which is where we're going. So right now we're actually checking voltage from each of the terminals, and we're verifying that power is good going in. But on the red side, power is not good. So power is not circulating. Just remember, it's one circuit. It all starts from one end of the plug, goes all the way through the timer, back to the other end of the plug. Simple as that. So if it's not circulating, you're not heating. So we're going to be removing the timer shortly and opening the cover. But right now, we're checking the red wire. Again, if you put your meter lead on the red or the left side, you should be getting 120 volts from both of those. Even downstream, it's all one circuit. So, and you can see nothing. And also, this live check checks your thermostats as well. Nothing. You can stick one lead on ground. You will still get a good reading. Keep that in mind. All right, so we're taking off the cover, and we're going to be checking the timer. Set your meter volts AC. Now, the timer, you're going to have a red and a black wire. Right now, we're checking the black wire. We have good voltage, meaning power is going to the timer. It should go through the timer contact and out the red. Okay, there it is. Now the red wire, nothing. I'm wiggling just in case there's a bad contact, but it is just not there. So the contacts, now I do have a video somewhere on repairing the timer, but they're pretty cheap, and this is on a warranty, so we're just going to replace the timer. So we're taking out the old one, 2 1/4-inch screws. Now for this portion, go ahead and make sure you unplug the unit. I didn't show it, but do not work on your dryer with the unit plugged in. Make sure your connections are nice and tight. Push them down nicely so that they're fully connected. Put your screws in. Now we're going to be doing one more test, and I'll confirm to you, or you'll see it, that now the power is now flowing from one circuit or from one side to the other side. Set your meter again on volts AC. Go ahead and plug the unit back in. Don't touch anything. All right, so we are checking from left to right. Power is flowing, so I am on the red and black, and power is flowing. So now in that theory, power should flow from the black all the way to the red and all the way down to the thermostats. Let's take a look. Again, you can stick it on the ground, doesn't matter. Power is flowing. You can see all the thermostats are all lit up. In theory, they're getting energized. All right, so we're running, and let's check for heat.
Oh yeah, we have heat.
Excellent. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.